Hi, this is Jennifer from Open Helix. Welcome to this tip of the week. If you're viewing this movie somewhere other than at our blog, be sure to check out the post at blog.openhelix.com so that you can see the full discussion with links and references. In today's tip, what I want to do is take you through a search for protein at the UniProt knowledge base, and then show you how you can go from those results over to either the RCSB PDB for structure information, or how to obtain information about protein protocols, available materials, etc. from the Protein Structure Initiative Structural Biology Knowledge Base, or SBKB. Open Helix has tutorials on how to use all of these resources, and the tutorials for the SBKB and RCSB PDB are free. Okay, so I'm beginning, as I said, at the UniProt. You can access this resource at the URL shown. I'm going to query the knowledge base for ID 015530 by clicking Search. Very quickly, we are taken to our results. For the protein we queried, there's protein names, gene names, etc. This report at UniProt is full of all sorts of information, as you'll see as I scroll through it, including ontology terms that are associated with the protein, interaction data, etc. For today's tip, I'm going to scroll through a large portion of this report to under the references area, and this is an area that the UniProt calls cross-references, and it's where you can link to information in other databases. So first there are sequence databases, next there are 3D structure databases. I'm going to change the radio button to the RCSB PDB and then click on a PDB ID. We will very quickly be taken over to the RCSB PDB resource and the page for that particular structure. As many of you know, the PDB is a very important and popular resource for structural biologists as well as a wide variety of biologists. Again, you can learn how to use the PDB through our free tutorial. I'm going to go back to that UniProt report, scroll down a little further to a fairly new link that's labeled Protocols and Materials Database. Under it is the SBKB link, which says Search. This search is a really great way of featuring what's available from the structural biology knowledge base. So here's our results. We are reminded where we came from. We are shown the sequence of the protein that we were looking into. And below that are results about information that you can obtain from the SBKB. So there is theoretical model information that comes from the protein model portal. You can see there are 19 of these currently. There's also protein target information from TargetDB. There is related clone information provided by the PSI Biology Materials Repository, and there are also related protocols from PepsiDB. And these protocols are for things such as how this protein was crystallized, or how it was cloned, or a variety of different how-tos that are already developed by the PSI and have been used. We can actually go from the SBKB back to UniProt if we want, using this new UniProt AC or accession search that's available at the Structural Biology Knowledge Base. I don't have time to show you that, but that will offer you additional information that the SBKB contains. So checks these interrelatedness out of these protein structure resources. Thanks for joining me.